Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are going to learn how we can remove green screen from a footage in DaVinci Resolve 18. So we are going to use two different methods. Both the methods we will learn are equally good. So let's get started. The first method that we are going to use is 3D Keyer. So you can find the 3D Keyer option in OpenFX here and just select it and type 3D Keyer. After that, drag and drop 3D Keyer to the footage you want to remove green screen. As you can see, we are still not done yet, so we will select OpenFX overlay from here. So here you can find the OpenFX overlay option. Now go on your footage and draw anything on the green screen part. As you can see, we have removed the green screen. If you select the footage and go to the effects tab in the inspector, here you can find more options that you can tweak. If there is still some green area left on your footage, you can use the despill option to remove that. As you can see, it looks much better now than before. Let's play it. So guys, now we are done with the first option and now we are going to see the second option. So for the second option, we have to go to the Fusion tab here and search for Delta Keyer. After that, just drag and drop the Delta Keyer to the nodes. Once you have done that, select the background color from here and select the option pick screen color. Now you can pick the screen color from here. After that, just click OK and now we are done. If there are still some green part remaining around the edges, then you can use the matte option from here and increase the threshold. As you can see, the green part is removed. It looks much better now. And that is it for today. Like and subscribe to the channel if you like the video.